Learn how to uninstall software or app from Windows 10 OS. Go to Windows 10 Start button. Click on Settings button. From Settings dialog box, click on Apps. In the Apps and Features section, you can see installed Windows apps. You can see search bar and enter software or app's name that you need to uninstall from it. For this tutorial, uninstalling PowerISO software. Click on the software. Then you will see two options, like modify and uninstall. Click on uninstall. UAC, User Access Control, dialog box will appear. And click Yes for giving permission to uninstall PowerISO. Click on Uninstall option to start the process. Everything like folder, files, saved files etc. associated with PowerISO will be removed from your system after completion of the process. You can recheck status of uninstalled software by searching on the search bar. Thank you.
Yeah.